Hello everyone. Today we are going to learn about comparing decimals from the chapter decimal. So now come to comparing decimals. As you compare the whole numbers, decimal number can also be compared in the same way. Okay, as you have already discussed how to compare two whole numbers in chapter number 2. But it should be kept in mind that first we have to convert them to like fraction, then we can compare them easily. So first step is convert the given decimal number to the like decimals. Like decimal means suppose you have given number of decimal like 2.3, next 56.5. In all these cases the decimal point is up to 10th place in both the cases, so we can say that these two are like decimal. Okay, if the decimal places are same, okay, and this type of decimal is known as like decimal. Clear? Second step, compare the whole part. First we have to compare the whole part. Whole part means the part which are left to the decimal point. Okay, decimal number with bigger whole part is greater. Okay, next step is if the whole part is equal, then we have to compare the 10th part, okay, or the digit that present in 10th place. The decimal number with bigger digit in the 10th place is greater. Okay, decimal number having bigger digit in 10th place is greater decimals. Next step is if the 10th digit place also same, then what to do? We have to compare the next digit, that is the digit present in 100 place. In the same way, if it is same, then we have to compare the 1000 place. Okay, in this way you have to proceed until you get the greater number and smaller number. So here is an example. Compare the following decimal, that is 2.156 and 2.15. So here the solution. First we have to convert the decimal to their like fraction. Here the first number contain 3 decimal places and it contain only 2 decimal places. So you have to convert the second, okay, to their equivalent decimal having the 3 decimal places. So nothing to worry, just you have to add 0 to the right side of the decimal number. Okay, 2.15 converted to 2.150. This means both are equal. If we are adding 0 after the decimal points, okay, then there is no change in the meaning of that two number. Clear? You can add number of 0. It may be 1, 2, 3. Okay, you can add number of 0 to get the like decimals. Okay, second step is here we got two decimals, okay, of like decimals, that is 2.156 and 2.150. So first step is we have to compare whole part. By comparing whole part, we have here the whole part are in both the number it is 2 and 2, so we can say that both are equal. Next second step is you have to compare 10th places digit. Okay, so here in 10th place it is 1 and 1, so again we can say that these two are equal part. Next move to another digit. Here it is another digit is 5 and it also 5, so digit present in 100 place also equal, that is 5 and 5. So what to do? We have to compare 1000 places digit. Okay, the digit present in 1000 place. So it is in the first number it is 6 and in the second number it is 0. So we can say that 6 is greater than 0. So this number, first decimal number is greater than second decimal number. Okay, in this way we have to compare. Here 2.156 is greater than 2.150. Okay, come to one more example. Compare 532.48, that is 532.48, and 682.26. Come to the solution. First, as you know that we have to compare the whole part first. Here the whole part in these two numbers are 532 and 682. So we can say that this number is greater. Just comparing the whole number, you can say that which decimal number is greater. Okay, here the first number is, if we compare, first we have to compare the whole part. Okay, so here the whole part, this part is greater than, okay, this part is greater than another one. 682 is greater than 532, so we can say that first number is greater than, 682.26 is greater than 532.48. Clear? Come to one more example. Compare 42.36 and 42.68. Now come to the solution. Here you can see that the whole part are same in both. Here it is 42 and in the second is also it is 42. So whole part is same in both the number. So what to do? We have to compare the 10th place then 100th place. In this way you have to compare to check the which number is greater. Look at here. Here 42 is same to 42, so no need to compare that one. Compare the next digit, that is the 10th place digit. Here it is 6 in the second one and 3 in the first one. So 6 is greater than 3, so we can say that this part, okay, 42.68 is greater than 42.36. Clear everyone? That's all. Thank you.